This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate at home with compound. Start by tempering compound chocolate using a double boiler and thermometer to melt to 45 degrees C, cool to 27 degrees C, then reheat to 31 degrees C for glossy shine. Measure ingredients precisely and avoid steam contact with the chocolate. Add flavorings or inclusions off heat, pour into molds, and chill on a flat. Once your compound chocolate is stable at working temperature, add flavors like vanilla or espresso in small amounts and taste as you go. Stir in inclusions gently to maintain temper and prevent heat loss. For layered bars, pour thin layers and chill briefly between pours. Use molds of different sizes for variety and label flavors if making multiple batches to keep everything organized and consistent. If your compound chocolate goes cloudy or loses snap, don't panic. Retemper using the same heat-cool-reheat routine and test with a small piece. Avoid water or steam near your workspace since even a drop can seize the chocolate. For softer fillings, adjust ratios and work quickly. Label storage containers and rotate older batches first to maintain freshness and flavor for gifting or selling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.